Hello guys, so I'm bringing channel messages from Kalima. So let's see which kind of person is meant to find this reading. So this is meant to find a person who is very independent, even though sometimes they say that they are not or they need someone, but they are actually fiercely independent, protective of their boundaries. They are very, very creative, very, very highly, talented. Like they have a lot of qualities. I can see a lot of qualities. I see a black cat, might be significant for you. I see sunflower, I see a Leo sign, I see someone who is very focused about career. They have been energetically pouring their soul into, career trajectory from many years. Maybe they have been thinking what to do, what not to do. Yeah, see, a lot of time has been destructive for them. They have been going from something traumatizing, or transitioning. The synonym of traumatizing is transitioning in tarot language and in the world of spirituality. So they have been going through that for a long time. A lot of things have been happening. Maybe a lot of competitors or enemies or friends have gone forward, but you are still stuck. Like you are still sitting and you're just waiting on what will happen. Maybe it's related to education versus should I work. It's highly related to education as well. And it's also about some people have betrayed you. Like there's a lot of animatical feelings from some people which comes and haunts you at night. Night is also significant time. And then there is the significance of two swords from one man. Like I'm getting this energy where this person is confused what to choose, go after people or choose his or her own way. They are just standing, they're not doing much. They can fight, they can run, they have a lot of weapons, they can take action, but they're not able to take action. Like there is some kind of pause in their life. See, it's very different clairvoyance which I had in Five of Swords. Even though it's about fight and shit, today it's about not taking actions and taking actions, things like that. Okay. So the channeled message is, there is hope, there is love, there is hope. Don't lose faith. It's asking you to take a subtle action, if not a huge action. And wow, there are two more messages. There's a heartbreak coming, or and old heartbreak which you have shielded with a lot of logic. And I'm hearing concussion for some reason. Did one of you had accident, like concussion kind of accident, or mentally you have been feeling concussion, like because you have had broken yourself and it has become a difficult journey for you. There is a lot of page energy. There's a lot of I'm not enough. People are not going to accept my worth. Like I'm worthless. People are not going to accept my love. People are not going to accept me. This is about I am a worthless creature. Like I am feeling this hurt. I don't want to say man ego, but I'm getting that word. It's not like I don't, like a female doesn't have ego. It's just that this ego is very subliminal to like career trajectory. Like a person is not able to get something, achieve something from life, and they are feeling worthless on their own. Like it's not like someone else is telling them. They are themselves. They have this, like a male ego is fragile, like that something has happened because of the career shit. So that is the masculine energy I was catching up on. What is the advice here? Can I know some advice here? Okay, cards are little angry. Why are they angry? I don't know. Because you do not speak up, because you do not ask what you want. That's why cards are a bit angry from you. You do not take action. You do not ask. If you ask clearly, someone will give you something, but you do not ask also. That is one of the things. Maybe you have some ego issues there. I don't know. Some bruised ego. Okay. The devil. I can't show this. So the devil card is here, which means that there is some kind of addiction, some form of wheel that you have been wearing for a long time. It's like, my time was not right for 3 months, 4 months, so I've started thinking that whole life is going to be like that. So but it's not true. Like if we realistically see, time is ever changing. Every day is changing, every second, every month, everything is changing at all times. How can you be so sure that nothing is going to change, right? And then there is the sign of high priestess, which means that God is subjected to help you. Like, you are a blessed person, you're a blessed child. I'm hearing you are a childlike person, you have childlike innocence, wonder, love, and like a hopeful energy. And you are like a child, like a little fat child, I heard. So like when I'm happy, I also gain a little weight sometimes, so it's completely fine. It's not like fat, it's just like you might be happy in your zone and you're too comfortable at this point, you're not taking any action, you're not working hard, you're not taking action. It's just like you should be in action. Like, you are in that phase of your life. If you do not know it yet, I'm just gonna tell you, okay, I'm just gonna give you a surprise and tell you here that you are in that phase of life where you have to work hard. There is no other choice, there is no other ifs and what ifs and but and parantu, as we say in Sanskrit. Parantu means this is true, but what if this, this kind of feelings are not gonna uh, make any sense in your lifetime right now. Like, you are running in a very high pace wavelength, and you need to take action again and again. Like, see, I'm not able to speak it so fast. That's how much fast you have to be. You have to be as fast as the speed of light almost. The way you have been slow, you have to get that much faster than how you must have been till now, because it's time to take action. It's time to ask for what you want. It's like you're slowing it down ab khud se. Like, you are making it not better for yourself because you're like stuck to the past. See, this card is about past, this is about family, this is about trying to find comfort in mother wounds, in difficult situations which you have faced earlier in life. You did become some other person. Like, I even see Russia for some reason. If you want to go visit Russia, it's a good time. Oh my god, I shouldn't give such kind of advice, it's a war zone. Shayad. But you get my point, right? If you were asking this question, it's a good time, you should go. And the negatives, the kind of advices is that you should not think about long term planning. Like exactly long term job I want, like I want to open a channel because of a long time income crisis that I want to solve. Right now, your time is now. Like, work hard and stop thinking about outcomes. Your problem is that you are thinking long term, that you're gonna be stuck here long time. You're just gonna be fuzzled up in this long term. Stop thinking long term, start taking actions. You are wasting your 20s, your 2026, your 30s, whatever is the age. But the main part is you're wasting your 26, and this year is supposed to be horse year. You need to take action. You need to be in the speed of light about taking action. You should not be addicted by your devil card is there. You are too much addicted into things which doesn't concern you anymore, basically. And then there's this card about silence. I heard silence, like you should be silent and you should start watching your present moment instead of wondering, because maybe in your head you're always living in the past or in the future, not near past or near future. Like, you just go way back in time, or you go way front in time. You're just wasting your life at this point. Be aware and take each moment for the day. Again, I'm getting this, it's I'm getting the 7 energy here. Like, a week is made of 7 days, and all the days should consist of something which has been done. You try to micromanage, you try to make a timetable, but that's not how you're gonna work. You're gonna have to not micromanage hourly basis, you have to manage it on a daily basis. On Monday, I'm gonna do my this, not chore, like something which is related to career. I need to fix this, I need to solve this, I need to rent an apartment on the Wednesday, I need to go and visit some new flats. Like, you need to make a plan. Again, this is the 7 days of the week. You are just wasting your time at this point. I'm heavily getting it that you started living in your head, and there is something which you could build right now. You can make the build you can make and build the life of your dreams. I'm also hearing house of your dreams. If you had some house of your dreams, the castle of your dreams, the penthouse which you want to buy, like a lot of things can start from right now if you take the days as the days and you start building on it. Also, I'll heavily ask you to let me cover the devil. Start living comfortably in your own energy. Okay, the devil is also about partnership. Like there are two people in the devil card, so it's asking you be happy, be fucking happy in your own energy. And this is the card of Kalima herself, and she is saying that she's always there, she's always guiding. Oh, you know, she's always there on top of you, like she's just watching you from above. She is always listening to you, your thoughts, whatever you are manifesting from a negative mouth. If you say something, it does manifest. You must have seen you want something very much, and then you question that I must not get it. You know, somehow you question whatever you want the most. What if I don't get it? You don't get it, and then you don't get it. You know, like your words are very powerful. Like this is Kalima, this is Nun, whatever you want to take it as. I also see a Christian nun, like a very powerful goddess, guru, whatever you fascinate yourself with spiritually. She's there. She's always guiding you. Maybe it's a mother figure, maybe it's a nurse, maybe it's a female figure which is just there. Any last pieces of advice for this person? Ace of Swords, the Hermit in reverse. It's time to end your solo journey. You have been living solo for lifetimes now. Stop it, okay? Fucking stop it. Sit down, write about your thoughts if you want to write. You know, this is also asking you to be very, you know, very, very selfish with your self expressions, in the sense that speak up. You know, even if you think someone else will not like it, whatever is the thing which is going on in your head, you need to come out of your head, very importantly, and you need to speak up. And you know, writing, expressions, creativity, words, journalism, business, leadership, it's all gonna take you far, in a far amazing places in life than you are in right now. For that, you need to stop worrying, start studying. I heard studying also for some people. Start studying, start taking decisions in life, what to do, what not to do. Sit down and decide. You know, write down the pros and cons. You're very pathetically gifted, terribly gifted. Like you're so gifted, whatever you think might come true. So take an opportunity, sit down, write your thoughts, you know, so that you do not think wrong things about yourself, and do not from, you know, mistakenly manifest wrong things. Stop waiting around the bush, start doing, start speaking. You know, haven't slept the whole night, and still I wanted to make the video. I just had the calling and I just started making it. I am not able to talk very in a very stable manner, but still I'm making it. It might be helpful for someone is, I'm 100% sure they are relating to me. So you just need to take the first step, and you know, you need to start doing it, not to be perfect, but to be there, you know, to be existing, because people don't care about you anyways. So start existing, stop worrying, stop feeling sad about things of past, start living at the present. You know, again, this card is reminding me, and you know, devil card came with it. I'm not gonna show you the devil, of course. Okay, so it's telling me that you are living in the terrors, in the worst things that you're faced from the past, and you have stopped looking at the present moment. You know, you're just looking at emotional turmoils which you have faced the past. Oh my god, everything was so wrong. Maybe there's a bloodshed, maybe there's trauma, maybe there's family trauma, mother father trauma, house trauma, something about heartbreak, love stories. But what is present? You're not taking it. And present is concerned with your career, and then you're questioning why my career is not going great, you know. And if you are here on my channel, I'm sure you believe in energy, you believe in love, you believe in affair with life, with, you know, with the greater energies. And if you are not careful enough, you're gonna fuck up. You should know that already. You're not careful enough because you are living in your mind, and it's not helping you though anymore, quite honestly. There's a lot of things cards wants to tell you. Queen of Wands. See, you're very, very creative. You're highly creative. You have a magnitude in creativity which is higher than the average. So, you know, you can make a whole creative career out for yourself. You can just make a whole business for yourself. You can start your own venture. You can do so many amazing things. Stop worrying. You have so much love for the world and for people, but like, stop it right now. The death card saying a proper no to, you know, any kind of affairs, love, whatever, you know, you're doing, you're having. Stop putting logic, like stop flirting with people just for fun, just to show yourself as a witty person.